In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix secure boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant for ASUS and Gigabyte motherboards. Start by opening the Start menu, then search for System Information and open it. Find the BIOS mode option and make sure it is set to UEFI. If it isn't, then you will need to stop here and look up how to switch your Windows installation to UEFI. Trying to enable secure boot without UEFI will cause your PC not to boot. Now open the Start menu, then click the power button and choose to restart. Once your PC begins turning back on, you will need to press or spam the key required to enter BIOS mode. On ASUS and Gigabyte motherboards, you will typically need to press the delete key. If you have a 60% keyboard, then look up how to press the delete key on your specific keyboard. Once in the BIOS, open the advanced settings or advanced mode if needed. For ASUS motherboards, go to the advanced settings, then go down and open the PCHFW configuration settings. If you have an AMD CPU, then select AMD FTPM configuration. For Intel, set TPM device selection to enable firmware TPM, and for AMD, set the firmware TPM switch to enable firmware TPM. For Gigabyte motherboards, go to the Settings tab, then select Miscellaneous from just below. In some cases, the Settings tab may be called Peripherals. Locate the AMD CPU FTPM setting and set it to enabled if it isn't already. If you have an Intel CPU, then set Intel Platform Trust Technology to enabled. For Gigabyte motherboards, go to the boot options, then set CSM support to disabled. Go down and select Secure Boot, then set Secure Boot to enabled. On ASUS motherboards, go to the boot settings, then open the CSM Compatibility Support Module options. Set Launch CSM to disabled, then go back to the boot options. Open the Secure Boot settings. The OS type should already be set to Windows UEFI mode. Set Secure Boot mode to standard or enabled. Go to the top and select Exit or Save and Exit depending on your motherboard. Then choose Save and Exit, then choose to save your changes. For ASUS, select Save and Reset, then click OK to confirm, and your PC will start back up. If you have any issues, then go back into BIOS mode and change your settings back. Open the Start menu, then search for System Information and open the options. Find the Secure Boot State option and it should say On. If it doesn't, then go back into your BIOS and find the Secure Boot setting. For ASUS, set Secure Boot mode to Custom, then back to Standard, then save and reset. For Gigabyte, set Secure Boot to Disabled, then back to Enabled. Then go down to the Secure Boot mode and switch it to Custom, then back to Standard. Select Yes to install factory defaults, then choose No when asked if you want to reset without saving. Save and exit to boot your PC back up. You now know how to fix Valorant Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error on ASUS and Gigabyte motherboards. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.